Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation we're using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's select this character body and go to solo and go to anchor point, move the anchor point down. Selection tool, and this is character full body. So in this time, let's unsolo select this neck layer and link to body, and select this head layer, link to body, and select back hair, link to head layer. Select head layer, let's see. Okay, and go to solo, select anchor point, move the anchor point down. Selection tool, unsolo, and select this hair left, center, and right, link to head layer. And select left, let's go to solo and move the anchor point here. And hair center, let's go to solo. Let's unsolo left layer and move the anchor point like this, selection tool, and hair right. Go to solo and move the anchor point up, selection tool, and unsolo. So in this time, select head layer, let's see, press R. And right now, let's go to layer, new, and null object for control face elements. And let's press S, change scale, hold control, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center, selection tool, and move to here. And select these eye open, eye black, eye close, nose, and eyebrow light, and eyebrow right, left, and mouth layer. Let's link to null object. Select null, let's see. Okay, right now we can animate face elements like this and change null layer face controller. So in this time, select face controller, link to head layer. Select head layer, press R, let's see. Okay, here we go. Right now we can create animating keyframes, but before, let's create question icon. Go to text and click here, let's write question, selection tool, and change font size. Okay, and select this text layer. Let's right mouse, go to create, and create shapes from text. And select text, delete. Select outline, let's change name 3D shape. And let's click toggle switch modes. And as you can see, we have 3D icon. Let's click checkbox for turn on 3D layer. We can see new panel here for render settings and camera control. Let's change classic 3D to cinema 4D for 3D render engine. And select shape layer, let's open inside, and geometry options. And extrusion depth, let's change this 50. And go to active camera, choose custom view 1. Let's click for black background. Okay, and let's change extrusion depth 100. And for shadow, let's go to stroke, choose here dark white, click OK, and this stroke width 1. Okay, and we can change color. Let's go to active camera. Okay, so right now we can animate this rotation, but before, let's go to anchor point and move to up, selection tool, and let's press R, chain rotation, and select shape layer, press P, let's move to down, and for now let's change quality quarter and create new path in keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift, press page down in keyboard, and move to up. Again 10 keyframes, move to down, again 10 keyframes, move to up, and again move to down, and again move to up, and let's move to down. So select keyframes and make it easy, or click F9. Nice. And in this time, let's go to first second, select shape layer, hold shift, press R, open rotation, and let's create X and Y keyframes. Change Y rotation 50, and go to here, change minus 25. Let's see full screen. And next keyframe 15. And next keyframe minus 7. And next 3. And next minus 1.5. And let's keyframe 0. And make it keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, pretty good. And go to here, let's change X rotation 25. And here next keyframe minus 15. And next keyframe 7. And next minus 3.5. And next 1. And let's keyframe 0. And make it keyframes easy and preview animation. Okay, that's good. And in this time, let's go to 10 seconds. Keyframe and chain rotation like this. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's go to first second and select this head layer, press R and create rotation keyframe and chain rotation like this. And phase control, let's press P and hold shift press R, create rotation keyframes and chain rotation like this and move it down and go to here and change head keyframe and null object, select phase controller, move it up and chain rotation. Let's see. Okay, make it easy. And go to here again, let's change rotation and null object. Move to down and rotation 0. And select phase keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Okay, this is more realistic. And in this time, let's select this body and press R, chain rotation 4 and create rotation keyframe. Go to here and change minus 3. And go to next keyframe, change 0. Okay, that's good. And select this body, hold shift press P and go to here, let's create new passing keyframe and go to next keyframe, move to down and go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste and make it easy. Select this eye close, let's enable and move to right. Go to 3 keyframes. For go to frame by frame keyframes, you can press page down in keyboard 1, 2, 3. Go to edit and split layer, delete for eye blink animation. And select this eye black. Let's press P and move to down and create new passing keyframe and go to here. Let's move it up. Okay, and here let's create new passing keyframe. Go to next keyframe and move it down. And make it easy. Okay, and let's go to first second. Select this hair right and press R and create new rotation keyframe and chain rotation like this. Go to here, let's change rotation and next keyframe change minus 3 and let's keyframe 0 and make it easy. Preview animation. Okay, that's good. And select this hair center, press R and let's create new rotation keyframe and go to here, chain rotation like this, and next keyframe change to back. Again, let's keyframe change to left, and make keyframes also easies. Okay, and select these center keyframes, move to right for random keyframes. Okay, this is much more realistic. And finally select these here left, press R, and let's create rotation keyframe. Go to here, chain rotation like this, and next keyframe here change 0, and make it easy. Okay, nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.